Hi, I'm Cole.
And I'm Daniel.
Today we're going to be doing a second talk about the book No Topic. Our question is how will the teachers and adults respond to the kids only being able to say a few words to the teachers.
So I had something for that question and answer. I think the teachers might think this is a good way for teamwork and synergizing the habit 6, and it's actually up there, right there. Sorry, right there.
And another question we had is will the children be really truthful and not cheat at home? I kind of think that they might because